Is your Wi-Fi extender not working? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you 5 easy steps to get it fixed and working perfectly. Step 1 is a simple power reset. Unplug your Wi-Fi extender, wait 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. This often resolves minor glitches. Step 2 is to try the WPS Quick Connect. Press the WPS button on your main router, and then press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi extender to initiate a quick connection. Step 3. Find the network. Look for your extender's network name, often with an _ext suffix, in your available Wi-Fi networks and connect to it. Step 4. Open the setup page. Once connected, open a web browser and enter the default IP address to access the setup page. Log in using the default credentials, typically admin for both username and password. Step 5. Choose your network. From the setup page, select your existing home Wi-Fi network that you want to extend and click Next. Success! Once the setup is complete, you should see solid green lights on your extender, indicating a successful connection. For best performance, perfect placement matters. Position your extender about halfway between your main router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Now you can enjoy seamless Wi-Fi with a full signal throughout your entire home. If you are still having issues, you can try a factory reset, update the firmware, or contact support. Remember, a simple power reset fixes most problems. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Router Expert channel for more helpful videos like this one.